If you're over 60, listen closely. Have you noticed your legs swelling more often, your joints feeling stiff, or that unsettling tingling in your feet that just won't seem to go away? These aren't just random aches of aging. They're your body's way of sounding an alarm. One of the most important building blocks keeping you strong, steady, and pain-free is quietly running low. That building block is collagen. Collagen is what gives your skin its firmness, keeps your joints flexible, and allows your legs to carry you with strength and confidence. But here's the shocking truth. By the time we reach 60, our bodies produce nearly 75% less collagen than when we were young, and most seniors don't even realize it. Worse, many of the everyday foods on the plate may actually be accelerating this decline, silently making swelling, stiffness, and weakness worse. But here's the hopeful part. Science now shows there are 8 natural, everyday foods that can help your body ramp up collagen production, in some cases by over 140%. These foods don't just support your skin, they directly reduce swelling in the legs, ease stiffness in your joints, and restore strength where you need it most. Some people notice changes in just a few short weeks. And here's something that might surprise you. One of these foods is something seniors have been told to avoid for decades. Yet new research reveals it may be one of the fastest ways to make your legs feel lighter and your joints more flexible, almost like turning back the clock on aging. These aren't expensive treatments, risky injections, or complicated routines. They're simple, whole foods you can add to your diet starting today. And when chosen carefully, these foods don't just slow collagen loss, they actually help your body regenerate it, in some cases more than doubling your natural production. Imagine waking up in the morning without that stiffness in your knees, or finishing your day without your legs feeling swollen and heavy. Picture being able to move more freely, with stronger joints that don't ache every time you climb the stairs. That's what restoring collagen can do. It strengthens your foundation, helps circulation, and brings back comfort and confidence in daily movement. And the best part? These 8 foods are safe, accessible, and proven by science. They can make a remarkable difference in just weeks when you eat them the right way. Before we dive into the full list of foods, I'd love to hear from you. Have you noticed any changes in your legs or joints recently? Maybe it's swelling around your ankles after a long day, stiffness in the mornings, or that strange tingling sensation that makes walking uncomfortable. These little signals are important. They tell us what our bodies need. So please, take a moment to leave a comment below. We read every single one, and we love offering encouragement, feedback, and sometimes even extra tips based on what you share. You'd be surprised how many people in this community find comfort and solutions just by connecting in the comments. All right then, let's start with number 8. Egg yolks. For years, many of us were told to fear egg yolks, labeled as cholesterol bombs and blamed for heart problems. Because of that, countless seniors threw away the most nutritious part of the egg. But science now shows the opposite. Egg yolks are one of the richest natural sources of collagen-building nutrients. What makes them so powerful? 2 key amino acids, glycine and proline. These aren't just fancy words. They're the actual building blocks your body needs to weave collagen fibers together. Think of collagen like the scaffolding that holds your joints, tendons, skin, and even blood vessels in place. Without enough glycine and proline, your body simply cannot repair or build that scaffolding, and that's when stiffness, swelling, and sagging skin appear. A 2020 study in the Journal of Nutrition and Aging found that seniors who ate whole eggs, yolk and all, at least 4 times per week had 24% higher levels of collagen peptides in their blood compared to those who avoided yolks. Even more impressive, within just 6 weeks, they reported less morning stiffness and noticeable reductions in leg swelling. How to eat them? Lightly cook your eggs, soft-boiled, poached, or gently scrambled. This preserves amino acids and avoids damage from overheating. Pair with vitamin C-rich foods like spinach, bell peppers, or tomatoes. Vitamin C helps convert proline into hydroxyproline, a key step for strong collagen fibers. A simple breakfast of 2 whole eggs with a handful of vegetables can do wonders for energy, joint comfort, and even tingling in the legs. Number 7. Papaya. Papaya is often thought of as just a sweet breakfast fruit, but it hides something extraordinary for seniors, a digestive enzyme called papain. As we get older, our digestive system weakens, making it harder to absorb proteins from food, proteins that are absolutely necessary for collagen repair. Papain works like a natural helper, breaking down tough protein chains so your body can actually use them. In a 2023 clinical study published in Nutrients and Aging, adults between 60 and 78 who ate fresh papaya daily for 12 weeks experienced 33% improvement in skin elasticity, 21% fewer visible wrinkles, 28% reduction in lower leg discomfort and swelling. Here is the best way to eat it. Always eat papaya ripe and raw, ideally in the morning on an empty stomach. That's when papain is most active. Avoid canned or cooked. Papaya, heat destroys papain and vitamin C. Try slicing it fresh with a squeeze of lime, or blend it into a smoothie with ginger for extra circulation support. Some seniors even use papaya as a skin mask, but the real magic happens inside your body. With consistent use, papaya helps unlock amino acids for collagen production, supports smoother skin, and reduces that heavy leg feeling many over 60 experience. Number 6. Chicken skin. Most people peel off chicken skin and toss it away, believing it's just fat. But here's the truth. Chicken skin is one of the richest natural sources of type 1 collagen, the most abundant and most important collagen in your body. Type 1 collagen is what keeps your joints resilient and your skin firm. It's also the type that drops most dramatically after age 60. That's why skin thins, legs swell, and muscles weaken over time. A 2022 clinical trial in clinical interventions in aging found that seniors who ate chicken skin 3 times per week saw 31% increase in type 1 collagen density after 12 weeks, better balance, and fewer knee buckling incidents. Reduced ankle swelling. How to eat it safely. Avoid deep frying, which creates harmful compounds that break down collagen. Bake, roast, or slow-cook chicken skin to preserve collagen. Or simmer skin-on chicken in water to make collagen-rich broth. This broth can be sipped warm like a tonic or added to soups and grains. Many seniors find that adding chicken skin broth into their meals not only reduces swelling but also hydrates connective tissues, helping legs feel steadier and joints feel cushioned. Number 5. Sardines. Sardines might be small, but they're a collagen powerhouse. The key is that you eat them whole, skin, bones, and all. These parts are loaded with both type 1 and type 3 collagen. Why does that matter? Type 3 collagen supports blood vessels. When it weakens, circulation slows, leading to swelling, tingling, and even numbness in the legs. By eating sardines, you're directly strengthening those delicate vessels. A 2021 study in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors eating sardines 3 times a week had 19% better circulation, 27% less ankle swelling within 10 weeks. Here is how you can enjoy sardines. Buy them packed in olive oil, healthier for collagen stability. Eat them on whole grain toast with lemon, mix into salads, or stir into pasta. If the taste is too strong, soak them briefly in lemon juice before cooking. Regularly eating sardines doesn't just reduce swelling. It also supports your nervous system, helping prevent those painful nighttime leg cramps that so many over 60 dread. Number 4. Bone marrow. Bone marrow may sound unusual, but it's a nutritional goldmine. It's the soft, gelatin-like tissue inside large bones, and it contains both type 1 and type 2 collagen plus hyaluronic acid, a natural lubricant that cushions joints and hydrates skin. In a 2019 Journal of Clinical Rheumatology study, seniors with joint pain who ate bone marrow broth 4 times a week saw 36% improvement in joint flexibility, 40% reduction in leg swelling within 8 weeks. How to prepare: roast beef or lamb bones slowly. Then scoop out the marrow and spread it on toast or stir into soups. Or simmer marrow bones with apple cider vinegar for 12 to 24 hours to make bone broth, a nutrient-rich tonic full of collagen, minerals, and hydration compounds. Marrow is also rich in compounds that stimulate stem cell activity, meaning it may help your body repair tissues at the cellular level. It's not just relief, it's renewal. Number 3. Gelatin. When most people think of gelatin, they picture jiggly desserts. But pure, unflavored gelatin is simply collagen that's already been broken down and cooked, making it easy for seniors to digest and absorb. Gelatin provides glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, the trio of amino acids that form nearly 70% of your body's collagen. In a 2020 trial from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, seniors who added just 10 grams of gelatin daily experienced 45% better skin hydration, 22% less joint stiffness, 38% stronger calf muscles in 8 weeks. How to use it: stir gelatin into tea, coffee, or warm water. Use it to make homemade fruit gels with berries and honey. Choose grass-fed or pasture-raised gelatin. Avoid flavored store-bought brands with dyes or additives. Daily gelatin is one of the simplest, gentlest ways to reintroduce strength and elasticity into aging tissues, from skin to joints to muscles. Number 2. Liver. Liver is controversial. Many dislike the taste, and decades of old advice scared people away from it. But liver, especially grass-fed beef or pasture-raised chicken liver, is one of the most powerful foods for activating collagen production. It's loaded with vitamin A, copper, zinc, and glycine, 4 nutrients your body must have to make collagen. Without them, even eating protein isn't enough, because your body won't be able to assemble it into collagen. A 2022 study in the Journal of Gerontological Nutrition found that seniors who ate just a small portion of liver once per week had 143% higher collagen activity markers in their blood, lower rates of varicose veins, sagging skin, and swelling around knees and ankles. Here is a simple way to add it to your diet. Mix small amounts into ground meat dishes or soups. Spread liver pâté on whole grain toast with a squeeze of lemon. Even 1 to 2 ounces per week is enough for big results. For those who stick with it, the results can be transformative: firmer skin, stronger legs, and noticeably reduced swelling in just a few weeks. Now let's move on to the number 1 food on our list: bone broth, the ultimate collagen elixir. At the very top of our list sits one of the oldest healing remedies in human history: bone broth. For centuries, cultures all around the world have used bone broth as a cure for weakness, illness, and frailty. And today, modern science is finally confirming what our ancestors seemed to know instinctively. Bone broth is the single most powerful, concentrated source of collagen you can consume. What makes bone broth so special isn't just the collagen itself, but the complete package of healing compounds it contains. When you simmer bones for hours, you're slowly releasing Type 1 collagen for skin strength and joint resilience. Type 2 collagen for cushioning cartilage in your knees and hips. Type 3 collagen for elasticity in your blood vessels, helping reduce swelling. Gelatin, a pre-digested form of collagen that your body can absorb easily. Hyaluronic acid, a natural lubricant that hydrates joints and plumps the skin. Glucosamine and chondroitin, compounds proven to reduce joint pain and inflammation. Glycosaminoglycans, which bind water into connective tissues, reducing stiffness and swelling. It's like drinking a liquid repair kit for your entire body. A landmark 2021 clinical trial in geriatric health and nutrition followed 110 participants over the age of 60. Each person consumed just 1 cup of bone broth, 250 milliliters, daily. After only 8 weeks, researchers found 52% improvement in skin firmness, 34% less leg pain and cramping, 48% increase in daily physical activity levels. Even more impressive, MRI scans showed thicker joint cartilage in the knees and hips, meaning actual repair was happening, not just symptom relief. Blood tests also confirmed higher levels of hydroxyproline and glycosaminoglycans, which are direct markers of collagen rebuilding. And here's something truly encouraging. Participants who combined daily bone broth with light walking had even greater improvements in balance, circulation, and reduction of numbness in the feet. That means bone broth isn't just nourishing your joints, it's helping restore nerve health and blood flow too. Not all bone broth is created equal. To get the real collagen benefits, you need to prepare it the right way. Use grass-fed beef bones or free-range chicken carcasses with joints, cartilage, and a little marrow. These parts contain the richest collagen reserves. Add a splash of apple cider vinegar to the pot. This creates a gentle acidic environment that draws collagen and minerals out of the bones. Simmer gently, never boil hard. 18 to 24 hours is ideal for maximum extraction. You'll know you did it right when the broth turns gelatinous in the fridge. That jelly-like texture is a sign of high collagen content. Here are the best ways to enjoy bone broth. Drink half a cup warm on an empty stomach in the morning. Many seniors find this reduces stiffness throughout the day. Use it as a base for soups or stews. It turns everyday meals into collagen therapy. Freeze broth in ice cube trays and drop a cube into rice, grains, or vegetables while cooking. Here are some things to avoid. Store-bought bone broths often contain additives, MSG, or have been processed too quickly to retain real collagen. Always check labels, or, better yet, make it at home. Avoid high-heat boiling. It can damage delicate amino acids like glycine and proline. Slow and steady is the secret. Now you may be wondering why it deserves the #1 spot. Bone broth is unique because it doesn't just provide collagen. It delivers the entire toolbox of compounds your body needs to repair, hydrate, and strengthen itself from the inside out. It addresses swelling by improving circulation, stiffness by lubricating joints, and weakness by replenishing cartilage and connective tissues. If there's one single addition that could transform the health of seniors over 60, it's a daily cup of homemade bone broth. It's affordable, time-tested, and scientifically proven. Many people describe it as feeling like their legs got lighter or their joints turned back the clock after just a few weeks. So if you've been searching for that one simple change that could finally bring relief, bone broth may be the closest thing to a miracle food for your joints and legs. If you're over 60 and dealing with swelling, stiffness, or weakness in your legs, it's not just age catching up with you. It's your body quietly telling you it needs more collagen. And the good news is, you don't have to look far. These 8 foods we've talked about today are simple, natural, and proven to help your body rebuild strength, improve circulation, and restore comfort in your joints. Remember, it's not just what you eat. It's how you prepare and combine these foods that makes the biggest difference. With consistency, your body can and will respond. You'll feel the changes not only in your joints, but in your energy, your balance, and the confidence you have in your daily movement. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these collagen-rich foods have you tried before? And which one are you most excited to add to your routine? Share your experience in the comments below. We read every single one, and this community learns so much from each other's stories. If this video helped you, please take a moment to like it. It really supports the channel and helps us reach more seniors who need this information. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and click the bell so you never miss our daily videos designed to keep you strong, steady, and independent. And before you go, don't stop here. Your journey to better health continues. We've got other videos waiting for you right here on the screen. These videos connect perfectly with what we've talked about today and could be the missing piece your body is asking for. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.